Greetings everyone and welcome. My name is Alfred and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to automate your software development infrastructure. We're going to use some of the tools that are going to help us do that. We'll be using tools like MetaMost, that will be using Jenkins, and then the GitHub. We're going to use GitHub on our local server. We're going to download a copy of GitHub and then install it on one of the servers that we're going to create. We'll be using Ubuntu to create our servers. We'll be using MetaMost for our communication interface, so that whenever something happens with our project, that we're going to be notified through the MetaMost channels. All right, we're going to use Jenkins to automate the tests, as well as the pipelines, and as well as automating the code flow, or the change of code flow, so that whenever we change code from one server, we can use Jenkins to listen and then test that code. And if the code passes the test, then it's going to be pushed to the next intended server or next intended channel. All right, and that's what we are going to be doing throughout this course. We are going to create some of the servers. As you can see here, we have a development server, staging server, or testing server, which is a replica of the production server, and we only want to make sure that whatever we are pushing to the production is working correctly before we do that. All right, and here we're going to use GitHub as our repository storage. So we're going to store our project here so that our developers can download the project, do their feature, and then push back the code to merge to the dev channel that we've just created here, or dev branch here. All right, so this is what we'll be doing in this series of software development automation. Thank you very much for joining me on this one. I'll see you in the next one, where we'll start creating some of the servers that we are going to use in this tutorial. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.